Here is how most people think. Let me get the new promotion and after that I'll be happy. Then they get the promotion. Let me have a kid. Then I'll be happy. Then they have a kid. Let me have another kid. Then I'll be happy. Then they have another kid. Let me just go for that amazing vacation to Europe and then I'll be happy. They come back from the vacation. Let me buy that new house. And after that, I'll be happy. They get the new house. Let me get the new lightings inside the rooms that nobody else in my neighborhood has. And I'll be happy. They get the lights. Let me get the new car that is absolutely hot in the marketplace right now. Then I'll be happy. Let me become 50. Then I'll be happy. Then let me retire. And I'll be happy. The reality is that those people do not become happy. Not because they don't deserve to be happy, but because they're waiting for the perfect time, the perfect situation, the perfect scenario in order to feel happy now. After working with a lot of people and coaching them, mentoring them, sometimes learning from them, sometimes sharing my perspective and advising some of the best professionals in the world, what I've observed is people who are happy decide to become happy now. They don't wait, they create. You know what we call people who wait? We call them waiters. Waiter. Somebody who waits. Somebody who creates, we call them creators. So people who create great opportunities, people who create great financial freedom for their families, people who create great time blocks in the calendar for the family event, people who create great energy level, these are creators. And creators doesn't mean you have to be a scientist or a CEO or a genius or a designer or a musician. You are a creator of your own life. You create happiness for yourself. So instead of waiting for that perfect house, the perfect time, the perfect home, the perfect vacation, the perfect relationship, the perfect whatever, why not become imperfectly happy today? Have you thought about it? Have you thought about it? Because if that's what you do, when you wake up tomorrow, you're going to have much more happiness. And then you do the work with much more happiness. You cook with much more happiness. You drive your car with much more happiness. You go do the coding in your office with much more happiness. You manage people with much more happiness. You lead your team with much more happiness. And happiness becomes your way. I wish you the best.